Alright guys, this is where we left it off. Left it off with all the grey primer on the floor panels. I probably need to put some primer on that and take these off. But yeah, this is where we left it off. Jump in over there. Probably should change my shoes. Alright, so what we're gonna do is give it another layer of primer. Alright guys, so I probably should have done this before, but I didn't have any. But we're gonna tape off these, and then I'm gonna paint those parts that haven't been painted yet. So put some primer over those, and we'll get going. You know what, guys? Let's actually paint these, because these show when you put the car on. So, and that's going to be annoying if everything looks nice and then this just looks like not painted. So this is something I want to point out. This is, I think the old owner did a paint job on it, but I think it was a home one, and you can see the color difference and like the fade. That's why I'm not too worried about all of this, and if it doesn't look perfect, because the whole car has a dodgy spray paint on it already. So when I get the time to it, I'll probably spray paint it. We'll get a professional to do the whole thing, or otherwise, as long as I can get the rust prevented and stop it from rusting even more, that's the main goal of this. It's not to make it look pretty, it's not to make it look like a brand new car. It's purely to prevent more rust, because I don't know if you can see there, but yeah, this paint job isn't the best. There you go. Look at that. Alright guys, so that's the second layer of primer with the etch primer. So we'll just leave that for now, and then we'll go to the rust killer primer. Alright, so apparently once I have done that primer, then I use this primer. So I don't know if any of you have done this before, but this stuff is like the stuff we use on like air cons, and the super cheap auto said this stuff is really good. We use this on like air cons when we're like cutting uni strut, and we have to like prime the edges so it doesn't rust. But I've never used this in a cab before, and so I think the first one was an etch primer, and then this is like a heavy duty primer that helps prevent rust as well. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll put 2 layers of these on each side, and then we'll put the overcoat on. And I might actually just get some Raptor or body armour in white and just spray paint it, just to give it a bit of that texture. But yeah, this is the next step. The killer rust primer. Let's see how this one goes. Right, now we'll do the other side. Alright guys, that's the second layer. So I'm gonna actually let that sit, and now I've actually been invited to go to a fight club. So I don't really know where this is gonna go. So I just got invited to go down, and now I'm walking over right next to the beach, Burley Pub over there. The bar's over there, and I'm just gonna suss out and see what it's like, because I'm super keen to actually find out. I actually don't know. I think they said 9:30, and I don't know what the time is right now. Not in the right gear for this, but look at this view. Work on your car, swimming, go surfing. You can go work at the bars. You got the Burley Pub right there, and you can go for a surf. I think that ticks off a lot of fulfillment. Surfing, working in your car, going to the bars. Look at that, surfer's paradise right there. So what do you guys think? Should, when I buy a massive garage shed, should I get it in Burley Heads? Have a look at this car. Old Ford. I think it's a Ford 150. That's clean. Alright, so the main guy's over here, so I'm gonna try and catch him.
Tell him on, yeah, you're my daughter, I'll find you a good husband.
My man, this
How
guy,
you, my bro?
Welcome to the Kingdom Fight Club.
Alright.
Fucking gangster.
Yeah. Oh, look at that commie. Hey. Alright, King Kong, mate.
Hi, man.
Good to see you, brother.
How you feeling today, mate?
Pretty good, man.
Pretty good? First time?
I'm excited.
Yeah, nice. You look like a boxer, mate.
Anybody want to fuck with that Batman? Come to the Fight Club. Me and you, anything. Boxing, kickboxing, and my bare knuckle. Let's go. 3, 1, 2. Don't turn your head. Oh. Fuck. This would be good for his series. Try to follow it every day.
Oh.
Ten seconds. That's 2 minutes.
I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Alright, guys, so I just finished off the fight club. I actually ended up getting to a 1-on-1, going full out sparring because someone was doing a series, and I was like, fuck it, I'll jump in and just give it a crack.
Das. Come on, 10 seconds, let's go.
First, we're just gonna give it a bit of a back. Alright, so this is the paint that I'll be using. Should stop more rust and I'm just gonna spray it over the primer. Alright guys, so we're gonna be spraying this over it, and we're gonna see how we go. Hopefully it turns out well. There's a little first layer on. We'll let that sit, and then we'll go do the other side. Alright guys, now we'll do this side. Spray it on. So we got the first layer, just gonna let it sit, then we're gonna do the second layer, and then hopefully it turns out alright. We're gonna do the second coat of spray paint. Got it up here, and let's just get into it. Alright guys, so I just did the second layer. Second layer is all on. Got that side. So hopefully it comes out good. We'll let it sit. I'll come back again and have a look. But it's looking alright. All the rust should be prevented now. And apparently this stuff helps with the rust as well. Alright guys, we have just finished painting and doing the rust conversion on this Land Cruiser. So that is a big job that we finally got done. I will be ending the episode of this one because I don't think you guys want to be seeing some paint dry. But if you guys do enjoy these Land Cruiser content, or you enjoy the flipping aspect of these episodes, make sure to follow along and like and subscribe, because I'll be releasing episodes weekly, and this one is going to be, or the next one's going to be released very, very soon. So this is Natayoh signing out. I'll see you guys in the next episode.